Fire complete 5 to 6 minute script plus full SEO. High retention style. Fire. Clapperboard title. He called 911 for help, then got arrested? Movie camera 5 to 6 minute script. It should have been a routine call for help, but it ended with handcuffs. Inside the courtroom of David Fleischer, the story unfolded like a real-life drama. The defendant called 911, reporting a suspicious person outside his home. Officers responded immediately. When they arrived, the situation escalated quickly. According to police reports, the interaction turned confrontational. Officers claimed the defendant refused to comply with verbal instructions. He insisted he was merely protecting himself and his property. Defense counsel argued that the call was legitimate and the defendant acted in self-defense. He had called law enforcement expecting safety, not arrest. But the prosecution highlighted prior warnings and alleged noncompliance. They insisted that officers had the right to ensure the scene was secure. Judge Fleischer paused. He asked a critical question. Was the arrest lawful given the circumstances, or was this a case of miscommunication and overreach? Bodycam footage was played. The defendant is seen stepping back, speaking calmly and repeatedly asking for clarification. Still, officers move in, handcuffing him while explaining the alleged violation. The courtroom held its breath. Defense counsel pressed that no crime was committed during the call. Judge Fleischer's eyes narrowed. He carefully considered the facts: the 911 call, the response, the actions of the officers, and the alleged noncompliance. Emergency calls are meant to protect the public and the caller, he said. But authority must act within the law. Missteps can't be ignored. After deliberation, Judge Fleischer made his ruling. The arrest was reviewed and deemed partially improper. The charges stemming from the initial 911 response were dismissed, but related violations, if any, remained under scrutiny. He added a stern warning to law enforcement. Public trust is fragile. Procedures must protect both citizens and officers alike. The courtroom was silent. The defendant walked away, vindicated on the key issue, but the lesson was clear. Even a call for help can become complicated when communication breaks down. This case serves as a stark reminder: authority has limits, and every action in law enforcement carries consequences.